I'm gonna cut. Hello guys, thank you for joining this live stream. I hope you're gonna love this information. Please press like button, please subscribe on this channel. If you want to receive additional information, visit links in bio. Please be aware of scammers because there is a lot of people who pretend to be us. We will never text you in the comments, we will never text you into DMs, we will never ask you about your investments, your portfolio, or we will never ask you to send your money to us. Thanks again. I hope that you're watching our daily videos on the YouTube. We're trying to do a lot of content for you. I hope that you are making money. If not, then it's okay. Everything that we are dropping here is educational proposal videos. We're not giving any kind of financial or non-financial advices. We're just showing you what we're gonna do and how we're gonna make money. So let's dive deep to the chart. Let's take a look at what's gonna happen with the price. I already slightly cleared the chart, so if you want to receive additional information, just go and watch previous videos. You're not gonna believe in this, but I need to be honest with you. This live stream was hour and a half longer than you see it right now. I draw this line. I'm expecting price to go lower from 3-4 p.m. Los Angeles time zone when the Asia session will begin. In my opinion, the Asia will manipulate the price. While everything happened in the Middle East and they just telling to us bullshit, oh, because they killed the supreme leader, the price of the Bitcoin go up. No, we're trying to notify you and you can check all this information. We are specific, we are precisely good, we are accurate, and we are always honest. If we're in losses, we're in losses. We're showing to you how we're gonna deal with that. So all these moments, that's just a game, that's just something that should put you in the state of fear. So in my opinion, the China will wake up, the Asia session will begin, and they will give us manipulation down. I do not expect price to go lower than $63,000 in the next couple of days, but please mark my words, for the next 5 days, from Monday till Friday, we could see pretty good manipulation on the price, which could hit the zone. I put it zone to you. And let me know in the comments if I should prepare the chart and give you the small amount of information, but it will be way more faster than all our previous live streams because I'm tired. So should stop bounce from here. This is the zone 63, 62.8. But if the price will be here in this zone at the beginning of March, then 5th, 7th of March or 14th, 16th of March, everything that lower than 63 bring the price to 61. Everything that lower than 61 bring the price to 58. I do not expect price to go lower than $58,000 in the March. But I also do not expect that the price will go higher than $100,000. And right now you will say, I dream about $100,000 because it's gonna give us 50% movement on the Bitcoin. In my opinion, it's impossible. It's impossible. But I'm always telling that everything is possible in the market. So when we're gonna see price $100,000 and higher, maybe 104, maybe 110, the end of June, the beginning of July 2026. In my opinion, that's where the terrible things, the huge war on the Middle East will begin. Right now, it's not a war. Right now, people in Dubai just eating in the restaurants their shrimps, they just sitting and watching how the interceptors trying to catch the rockets from the Iran. Right now, nothing terrible happens. I'm just telling you this. This is something that should be scripted and showed to the people. So in my opinion, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, something terrible could happen with the United States military base, aircrafts, helicopters, troopers. I don't want to see that in the news. But basically, they need to put people in the state of fear. They need to open markets from Monday. The United Arab Emirates, they close the markets. But United States, starting these actions with Israel during the offline market session, they need to give you opportunity. With the bad news, someone will destroy something either inside the United States or outside, closer to Middle East military base. They need to give fear, they need to confirm this fear during this week, the next week, from Monday till Friday. They need to give you opportunity to sell your assets. They need to give you opportunity to open short positions. So for me, everything that's going to happen right now, 63, 61, maybe even $64,000. That's the really good entry price to the long position, and that's definitely where I'm gonna buy more. For the last couple of days, I'm buying daily the cryptocurrency. On Friday, I bought few ETFs and few stocks. I will tell you that was the Oracle and the Nvidia. Before that, if you're gonna watch the video which was dropped 12 days ago, where we're discussing top 5 stocks to buy before spring, you will see how 3 stocks with exactly the date which we mentioned to the people from 24th of February, 3 stocks gave 15, 20, 25% movement up. That's easy to do. We're doing this for you. So if you love this content, just press like. We'll really appreciate your support. Also visit all our social media. We drop in there additional information. And of course, if you want to get access to the private group, link in description. We return as you ask, 24 hours free of charge. Also, we're creating apps. As soon as possible, we're going to drop the full app for the people. We create additional app, but right now it's unavailable for the people. I just recently explained it to the people. This app helps you. You just choosing the date and it shows to you where the price not gonna be during this date. So, or until this date, better say it like this. So, what else to say? With the Ethereum, Bitcoin and Solana, probably everything gonna happen absolutely the same way, but as always, Solana makes bigger movements because it's more manipulative, it's more volatile. Let's get back to the chart. Let's take a look on the Ethereum. That's the same, my expectations, that we could come back to this zone. Everything from here will be the pretty good, pretty perfect entry price. But also, guys, as I said to you, I'm just gonna put a little bit more, not this color, a little bit more lines. So this was the buy point. We always buying either on the bottom of this channel or on the turning around before that. Yeah. So if we're gonna take a look, here, it shows to me that buy today, tomorrow. Yeah, like buy anytime when this line will turn around. When this line could turn around. Immediately, right now, just immediately right now. You know what I'm gonna do right now? I'm gonna show you how I'm opening the long positions. I don't care about these positions. I don't care. I'm just gonna close my previous long positions. I'm closing them all. I'm going, oh, you know what? I'm not gonna close these positions. You are beautiful. It's a really beautiful dress. Come here, show to the people. Let them see how beautiful you are. Very beautiful. I love it. There is no way to make coffee for me? Please. Guys, I don't want to close this position. I fix only the part, and right now to fix the last part, it will be stupid. Can I open... Guys, that's not going to be the position where I'm putting a lot of money, okay? Please mark these things. That's not going to be big position. I'm just going to show you. And it's not fair. If you're not putting the money into the position, you just put in the, like, whatever amount of money, which you don't care. I cannot do anything with my own positions because they are in losses. My long positions in losses. I'm holding them, and I'm not going to break the risk management. But that's not financial advice, but maybe you will consider to open not the big amount of money, maybe half of the percent of your deposit, maybe 1% of your deposit from right now till 2 a.m. in the morning in Los Angeles time zone, 2-3 a.m. I know that you don't have the trading filter. I know that it's still not showing to me to open this position, but take a look at this. This guy at the bottom, this guy showing to me the divergence. I need to, maybe Sonia will open this, but she's gonna put the small amount of money. She's not gonna put a lot of money. She's gonna open like $100 or whatever. So everything that's happening right now, give me a second once again. Yeah, here it is. Here it is, take a look. Everything that's here is definitely open the long positions. If you want to wait a better price, wait for the next 3 hours. Next 3 hours, the Asia session, the angry Asians, the shrimp dumplings people, no offense to the Asian people. I'm talking about the bad people, you know, like the people who are bad. The people who are threatening the world with this third world war. I'm talking about bad people. There is the bad Ukrainians, there is the bad Americans, there is the bad whatever other country. So these dumplings will put the price lower just because don't touch Iran. They need to put the fear in your head during the next 5 days. So you will press the button sell. Everything from here. I want so bad. I can't even explain you how badly I want to put more money right now to the long positions. But I can't. I just can't. Here it is, 58.63. Yeah, let's stick with this. Ethereum Solana, same here. It shows to me that from that line which was given to you on the videos on the YouTube, the Solana the same. Like we are almost here. If you didn't vote here, if you didn't vote here, if you didn't vote here, if you didn't vote on the 5th of February, which was called to you days and weeks before, everything for me here, guys, everything here is the buy. Everything here for me. Everything here. Oh my God, give me a second. No, please. Guys, give me a second. I don't know why this charger for my phone didn't charge the huge 16-inch laptop. So that's why it started to glitch. I know why it's glitching. So a couple of minutes we're gonna talk with you. Guys who's watching this live stream, how it's for you. You see, I don't know why, like I have the second breeze inside of me. Like I need to talk. I need to give this information fast. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your likes. Yeah, it works. Let's get back to the chart. So everything here is the buy. Everything here, guys, everything here is the buy. You see how I'm showing to you, like I'm not buying here. I'm not retarded to buy here. I'm buying on the lower part of this fucking channel. So everything that shows to me that we should not go lower than $63,000. Just mark my words. I'm gonna hold to this. I'm gonna stick to this plan. Everything here is the buy. Everything here should put the price higher. The USDT dominance. Yeah, I think that from the next couple of days we're gonna go lower with the USDT dominance. So it means that the market should go higher until 5th, then until 12th. Then until 17, then until 30 of March. But probably, mark my words, something pretty huge could happen closer to 24th, 25th of March. That could be the local peak for some altcoins. 24th, 25th, 24th, 25th. What? 24th, 25th. That could be the local peak for the altcoins. The total, everything here, buy. Total 2, everything here buy. I'm putting this line here back. Everything here buy. I'm expecting the movement up. On the daily time frame, it will be way more easier to see. Take a look at this. I'm expecting for this moment. I'm expecting for this moment. The USDT dominance. I'm expecting for this moment. Take a look how pretty long will be the movement. Time interesting for altcoins. Just mark my words. Summer. From May till July, everything will go way higher. But right now, in my opinion, that could be the local bottom. That could be the local bottom. I'm just telling you this. That's not the end of the moment. We're still gonna have pretty huge problems in July. Maybe the big war will begin. Closer to August, September, October, November, December, everything will go only down. Every bounce back will be the absolutely catastrophical. After every bounce back, there will be additional bad news. But from the end of 2026, once again. What else? Total 3. Let's do the same. Yeah, the daily time frame shown to me. Buy here. The 4-hour time frame will be more precisely with this. Please mark my words. I will leave this line here. I will leave this line here as well, because the middle of March will give us one more time correction. So from here, that could be correction, then we're going up again. So here, buy right now, not financial advice. I'm buying right now. That's how I should say. I'm buying right now. I bought yesterday. I bought day before yesterday. I'm gonna buy tomorrow. I'm gonna buy during the whole week. during the whole week. Every movement down right now, that's the manipulation for me. And I'm gonna buy here on the 17th of March, but take a look at this. 25th, it shows right now 25th. Here we can put the new bottom closer to beginning of April. But from 25th, so what it means, like from here, the price could go to the correction, one more movement up, then movement down. I'm gonna leave it like this, okay? If you don't mind, I'm gonna leave it like this. The same with the all assets. Take a look at this. 25th, 25th, here 25th. You see, take a look at this. Double top, double top, almost double top, but which chart looks exactly like this? Yes, Bitcoin. Take a look at this. You see? So basically, this movement down could be flat for the Bitcoin, but pretty good, like 10, 20, 30% for the altcoins. I'm just buying more. I'm not doing anything else. For the gold, go watch previous videos. We told you like we need to be here. All these updates from here, you receive this. So just try to understand me. In my opinion, while everyone during the next week will put more and more money to the safety assets like the gold, silver, or whatever other commodities or indexes, in my opinion, everything will go to the correction. The silver the same. Silver the same. Yeah, like we're going down, we're going up, we're going down, we're going up. I'm still expecting that the silver could go slightly higher. Could go slightly higher, but it's inevitable to see that the first correction, the second correction, I don't know, let me put this line here and the line here. So it's still showing to me that from the first week, either it's gonna do this moment or it's gonna do, because people buying, yeah, people will buy for the next 5 days, silver, gold, others, and after that the risky assets will go up, the gold and silver will go down. So basically here the same. Here the same. Could be like this. You know what? You know what? There is even a chance to see gold crossing the new all-time high. There is even the chance. I will stick to this plan. Just because people will be afraid, people will be terrified. What's gonna happen with the dollar? Give me a second. Yeah, still going up until the beginning of April. Still going up. But in my opinion, you know how it's gonna be. I will show you. Right now, when I have a little bit more information, can I delete this line if you don't mind? Can I delete? I don't think that we're gonna have the, I will tell you, I don't think that we're gonna have pretty good impulse up on the dollar. Probably the price will do that, something like that, and then we need to go lower. That's my opinion about the gold, the 4 hour, sorry, not about the gold, the 4 hour, about the daily sell, about the dollar. I think that something like that should happen. Yes, of course, we can take this liquidity, we can take this liquidity, and after that, how bad is this? 1, 2. Could be, give me a second, the weekly time frame. From there, fuck, no, give me a second. That's the thing that I should do more often, to analyze different assets on the different time frames. Okay. Okay. If you don't mind, that will be the best thing to do. So we have like the biggest crisis, yeah, still in 2027, mark my words, 2026, 2027, from, Where is that gonna be? Closer to. Give me a second. I will find right now. I will find. I will do this. Okay, and okay. It's not easy for me right now. It's not easy. No, no, no. 1, 2, 3. Okay. It's too far away. I don't need this. The 4 hour gives me slightly more vision. Give me a second. I will explain myself. Yeah, in my opinion, the price could do that movement down. Then we need to take this liquidity, trade here in the flat with all due manipulations. Yeah, closer to April. Closer to April. We can go lower. This is May. Yeah, the end of, yeah, the end. From here, we need to put more fear to the people until May, and from May going lower. Yeah, I will stick to this plan. So I will stick to this zone, I will stick to that zone, and from here I will stick to this zone. Well, what I was trying to remember, where the risky asset showed me bottom, where the risky asset showed me top. I will stick to this plan. I will stick to this plan. I'm not gonna go with the other assets. I don't want to do this. I will show you once again the Bitcoin futures. I think that that's something that could happen, like immediately from today, day to after tomorrow, the whole next week could give us pretty good movement up. In my opinion, the war in Iran will put the price of the Bitcoin higher, but closer to end of March, additional bad news will appear. We're gonna discuss this during the March, definitely on the videos, because I need to see what they're trying to feed to the people. I even would say like this, to the pigs. Yeah, like they feed in pigs with the news, because pigs are stupid. If you feed in the pig, she or he eating, he or she not bothers himself or herself with the information. Pigs don't care what they eat. You understand this? So I need to see what they're gonna try to put to the people heads, like that one. So for me, everything right now, what's happening, that's the manipulation, and that's where I want to buy more and more. Of course, we see it like this 2, 4, 5% movements. This is the pretty big manipulation, and the Bitcoin volatility. Bitcoin volatility still shows me the same things. 14, 17, 18 of February, big moves. There was the moves. Oh, it's March. Sorry, it's March. It's still March. Yeah. Everything here is the big moves, but we need to take a look at the daily time frame. Oh my God, I hate these charts. Can I already delete this? You've been notified about this movement. Can I delete this? This also going up. So yeah, I'm gonna stick to the plan that the volatility will go higher, and we will easily see the price of the Bitcoin. I'm gonna delete this. I don't need this, guys. I don't need this. Maybe you need this. I don't need this. That's my expectations. Bigger volatility from here till here. So I'm gonna expect the bigger movement up here as well. From there, we're going down. Right now, I will try to guess that we're not gonna see pretty big movement down here. I don't want to see pretty big movement down here. If we're gonna go back to this video, to this chart, You can find the explanations on the YouTube by watching this video. You can find how I'm drawing and explaining myself. I will stick to this plan. I will stick to this plan. It looks absolutely terrible, disaster, yeah. I'm showing to the people where the price would be, where the price not gonna be. I want to say sorry because this live stream was one of the most terrible. Sorry to the people who've been watching me for the previous hour. I wouldn't say that the bearish market ended. No. We're still gonna see price pretty low, unexpectedly low. That could be $37,000 for the Bitcoin. That could be lower than $30 for the Solana, and that could be lower than $1,000 for the Ethereum. Everything else, who cares? I'm still gonna buy on every 4-hour time frame forecast bottom. So right now, as I said to you, I bought on Friday, I bought yesterday, I bought early in the morning today. I'm gonna buy tomorrow, probably, on the small part, couple of $1,000, but I'm gonna feel myself like I didn't miss this opportunity. After that, I'm gonna buy in the middle of March. After that, I'm gonna buy only closer to May, beginning of May. From May, I will try to catch the pretty good movement up until the end of June, beginning of July. There, probably the huge war will begin. There, probably the World War III rumors, at least, will turn to something more specific. Maybe someone gonna die. Maybe someone gonna, or something will be destroyed. I don't know. But somehow I think that the March will be the local bottom. I really don't want to see price too low in May. I don't want to see price too low in May. But to give you more specific information, like sometimes, like, you know, I'm dropping video once a week on the YouTube. I'm dropping video on the Instagram, TikTok, and 95% of them are absolutely incredibly right with the dates, with the price, with the moments, etc. But then, for example, like I was wrong with the gold, yeah? I called exactly the date of the corrections, but I was thinking that the correction will go lower. The same as the previous year. I was thinking that the price of the Bitcoin will go lower, closer to 72.69. We dropped to 74. But I'm definitely not the person who's like, okay, to the moon only. No, I'm honestly showing to you what I'm doing, what I'm buying, what I'm selling, when I'm buying, what I'm selling. I really appreciate your support. I really appreciate your motivation. I cannot explain to you, I cannot promise to you that I'm gonna do this forever. As soon as we're gonna drop the app, it's almost ready. It's almost ready. Right now we're waiting for confirmation from the Apple Store, from the Google Play Market. They need to check everything. I'm gonna put more energy and more time to the app, because I understand that that's where the billions of dollars. Here, I learned how to make millions. That's fine. That's work. That's insanely incredible good money. You know, I've been telling you this since 2024. What's gonna happen with the average price of the housing, yeah? So we had this top showing to us pretty good correction, yeah? So right now, I think, in my opinion, we could have, like, everyone knows who's at least somehow thinking or interested in the real estate in the United States. You know that there is right now, for the first time in the life of the real estate market, more on 600,000 sellers more than buyers. I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna buy here where the bottom is. I'm not gonna buy. Probably during the next couple of months, maybe in the end of the year, I will try to buy my first house and my first apartment. House in LA, apartment in New York. You know why? Because I'm gonna put only 20, 25, 30% down payment, and I'm gonna pay the mortgage. but this mortgage will be with the perfect fund. That's my expectations. That the Feds will lower the rates, but please be prepared that from the beginning of 2027, oh my God, how bad it will be, how bad it will be. Maybe it will be from the beginning of 2027, maybe it's gonna be closer to the middle of 2027. From here, I'm expecting that the rates will pumps. Inflation will put this, some problems with the, I don't know, geopolitical tension. I don't know what will be the reason. I don't care what will be the reason. I care what this thing shows to us. Since we start analyzing and showing to you what the rates will do, and guys, once again, you know what I'm gonna tell you? I'm just gonna tell you. Unfortunately, this chart wouldn't work. You see, there is no lower time frames, only monthly time frame. So in my opinion, either it's gonna happen in March. They need to put fear to the people. Yeah, for the last 6 months, the rates are dropping, but the price staying at the same. They need to put fear in you. So in March, I'm gonna expect that they're gonna rise the rates. They're gonna increase the rates in March. That's my expectations. But closer to June, July, August, September, I don't have the calendar of the events. Closer to summer, probably in August, I will leave it here. In my humble opinion, they will increase. Sorry if I made mistakes. In March and lower them in August. From beginning 2027, rates pumps. So it means that I need to find the perfect rates for the perfect similar house pricing. In my opinion, that will be here in this time zone. So anywhere here, let me show it to you. Not in March, no, not right now. I think I'll buy real estate property August, December 2026, maybe. And this maybe will work if I'm buying here. The maybe will work on the additional property. First quarter 2027. Best price, best rates. After that, the price will go lower till 2029, but the rates will go higher. So for me, that's gonna be investments, the proper investments, yeah? So the price starts to bounce back, yeah, slightly, nothing. But here, I told you, like, I cannot scale these positions. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna try to catch this moment. They put pretty good movement down. They give pretty good pressure on some assets, yeah? Ton, atom, compound. I wanna buy ton. What? What the fuck is wrong with this asset? Well, let it be. Let it be. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say to you. Sorry if it was uncomfortable for you. Sorry for this. That was one of the worst live streams in my life. Once again, in my opinion, the manipulation will start in the next couple of hours. They're gonna put a fear, they're gonna drop the new news, they're gonna put people in the gold, they're gonna put people in the silver, they're gonna put people in the state of selling assets. The bigger crash, the crash that I'm waiting will happen closer to summer, June, July. That definitely should happen with the Bitcoin, gold, silver, with the stock market. Not every asset. We need to analyze every asset outside the whole market. But as always, if the whole market going down, mostly like 90% of the assets going down as well, because we're dropping daily videos for you. We're posting a lot of things. I want to stop doing this. Once again, I'm telling this every week to myself, not to you. Because as soon as we're gonna drop the app, there will be the tab with the feeds, there will be the tab with the live streams, there will be the tab with the forecasts, there will be everything. So as far as I see, people don't like this type of the comment, people don't like to think, people just like to react. So the only thing that I need to do right now, yeah, is to people who understand the quality, people who understand the how they can use this information, they will stay with us no matter what I'm gonna do. For others, let it be prepaid content, let it be prepaid access to the live streams, to the app, to everything. It should be prepaid. I'm just letting you know, I'm a little bit tired of everything. So that's my opinion. I gave you my vision on everything for the next couple of weeks. I'm expecting that the March will be green. I'm expecting price to go to 74, 78,000. We've been showing to the people where the price not gonna be. Watch this video once again. Inflation 3%. Watch this video once again. This one that was made 27th of February, where I'm showing to you that the price would be here, then we're gonna go up. I'm explaining, I'm showing, etc, etc, etc. So I don't know how long I will make this video more. I will tell you probably until July. Every 6 months I'm telling to myself, for the next time when we're gonna be right, I'm gonna stop doing this. But then I'm stuck in the stupid mistake position. And while I'm stuck in the stupid mistake position, I feel myself bad. I understand that I need to give more information to the people. I understand that I need to do something else for the people. I really want to give you money. I really want to give you information. I really want to give you everything that I have, but I shouldn't do this. That's not how it should work. In April, I'm gonna move to another apartment or maybe house. It will help me to create bigger space for content, because I hate this wall. Before that, I hate the TV, because the things that TV should do was including the other person with whom I should talk. Unfortunately, a lot of things go opposite way that we think. But still, I'm fighting. I'm not surrendering. I'm not crying. I'm making money on the daily basis. I'm showing people all the moves. For the last months and a half, we catch every movement down, every movement up. That was absolutely impossible to do, but we did that. And right now I need to understand that, Andrew, relax. Relax. You're starting to think that you are the smartest person. You're starting to think that you catch the God, or you, how you say that, like you're invincible, you're unstoppable. I'm not like that. I need to understand that I need to avoid mistakes. I need to avoid that type of confidence. But still, come on, guys. when you're making that type of money and you cannot even imagine that you're gonna spend them on something just because to prove people something, you start to understand that you're just growing your deposit, you're increasing the amount of money. So basically you should stay with the same risk management, and you will always manage your positions, you will always be in the profit, because no matter how much time how much or many much something that I can count the time. Yes, 2 hours, 3 hours. Hello, my teacher. Yes, much time. How much time I'm gonna spend in front of the chart, or opposite. How much money you got? A lot. How much problem you got? A lot. Many is something that I cannot count. Yeah. Many waters. Fuck, I'm so fucking stupid. I even cannot tell you, but I don't care, because you can always buy someone who's gonna translate for you. Once again, I'm tired, to be honest. I'm tired to do these live streams. I'm tired to give you information. I'm tired of everything. I'm just tired. I'm just tired, my friends. I'm tired to see how other people gain views and gain people who's been watching this live stream before I cut it, before I started from the beginning. Like that's my vision. You saw how I'm drawing this. Like, I'm expecting movement down, no matter if it's gonna take liquidity from this order block or not. Like, I just show you my expectation. If I would like to catch the trade, I will definitely try to catch it from this order block. People who know the smart money price section, you will understand, like, you trying to stick to the plan of where you're gonna open the position. But with this guy, if I have the notification about the divergence, I can try to catch this position down. If I had the bearish divergence here, if I don't, yeah, here it was, the bearish divergence, then the bullish divergence. It means that I need to find a way out from this position. For example, here, if you open long position, it's small movement, yeah, it's fucking like less than 1%, but still depends on your portfolio. Just repeat it so many times as you need to do this. I'm gonna wait for the next couple of hours. Once again, I'm gonna wait for this bottom. Before that, I was buying here. I'm gonna buy more and more. I do not expect price to go lower than $63,000. That's the dates where the price could be here, anywhere here, just because they need to put fear to your head. During the whole next week, I'm gonna buy. During the whole next week, if I'm gonna see price on $58,000, I'm gonna scale my positions. Maybe I even scale them on 61. I don't know. I will choose one position and I will do that. Right now, I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything, and I'm not gonna do anything. Let it be. At the end of the month, at the end of the July, at the end of June, beginning of July, we will see correction. We will see correction that could be pretty intense correction, guys. From here till here, please be aware. From the end of June till the middle of August, till the beginning of August, mark my words, be aware. Be aware, because that could be pretty terrible. If the World War III will start here, it's gonna last for 3-4 years. That moment, that could be the black swan. Either it's gonna start to happen here, or it's gonna happen from July. So right now, the only thing that I can do, like, yeah, we have this line, I can put the one more here. The end of July. I think that could be volatility. Yeah. First, from the end of May, we have a huge volatility until beginning of July. Then the first correction, then huge volatility once again. And here, It's easy for me to say like this because I don't care. I cannot do anything with that. I cannot change this. I cannot prevent this. I will definitely not gonna participate in this. I want to chill. I want to fucking chill. Let the boys fight. I want to make money from this situation. I want to make life-changing money from this situation. I want to change my life. I want to change life of my kids. If that's gonna happen, let me take a look at the chart without you. We don't need to take a look at the chart with you. Let me think. Or better, I will show the chart, yeah? I will show the chart. So just imagine, here is the bottom, yeah? The total one. From here, the war, the terrible things, putting the cryptocurrency up. While people will be expecting that the gold gonna go up. Take a look at this. Where is the gold? The gold gonna go down until 2027 and then one more bottom in 2028. But from there, my friends, take a look at this. This movement up could be pretty impulse. In my opinion, from 30 till 35th, 36, we could see gold higher than $10,000, maybe $20,000. The silver showing to me that closer to the end of the year, I'm not gonna say even the end of the year, in my opinion, the same. The whole markets will, like, everything will crash at the same time, probably from July. Before that, we've been telling to you that everything will go to the huge correction from August, October. I was interested only in the cryptocurrency. Every time when we analyzing assets for you, which you are asking for us, on the YouTube videos, on the live streams, like S&P, gold, euro, dollar, whatever, Nvidia, stocks, whatever. We're doing this for you. Give me a second. I think I missed something.
Привет, уродненький. Что ты всем нашим табличку новую сегодня сделаешь? Забрать тебя, братишка? В 2 или во сколько?
That's the guy who helps me to make video from the drive. Yeah, I need to make the new like right now I need to tell people when to buy. I need to tell people when to buy Bitcoin. Fuck, where is this signs? Where are my signs? I need to find them. Okay guys, I think that's enough for today. I talked too much. In my opinion, terrible things gonna happen in summer. No one would expect. Everyone will think that the gold, silver, everything will go up. Everyone will start to think from May that this is the fake movement on the cryptocurrency. So the cryptocurrency will change the game since beginning of 2027, the end of 2026. Before that, we should see pretty absolutely terrible manipulation from March, May till July. I truly believe that that's probably the bottom, the local bottom right now, the first stop. But the November, December will give us, why I'm looking there, but November, December will give us price lower than 40,000. Everything that I was give you here on this chart. Go back in February, March 2025, you will see how I'm drawing these lines. Watch videos, you will see how I'm putting April, May, high risk, June, August, BTC October, November. That's impossible. 200 is impossible, not right now. Maybe 2030, 2030 something. The life is unfair for most of us, especially for the people who don't want to change their life, especially for the people who's not trying to understand the rules of the game. We're trying to show you that the system are broken. We're trying to show you that they're bullshit, that they're just manipulating you. I'm not gonna say that it's always happened like this. No, probably the system will, how to say that, will absorb me, will consume me. The system will capture me. I'm telling you this. Because no one in the system needs to have someone who's telling people how they can stop being slaves. So maybe it's good that I'm not viral. Maybe it's good that no one knows about us. Yeah, there is like a couple videos for the millions of views where we precisely said what the price will do. And you know what the best thing? The video with the kid, I already proved it to you. You can find video on the Rodeo Drive or just open the TikTok, Instagram. Go to the November 2025. November 2025. You will find the... Fuck as always. And then I'm telling the people, watch this video. All right. Through the trader, yeah. Let's open this guy. And let's go down till November. I will show you this video. Exactly the same video. But this video was made by AI. AI cut the video. But let's go to the November. As far as I remember, either it was 11, 17, something like that. Let me go there. And after that, you know what we're gonna do after that? We'll go with the live streams. No, we don't need this. Your channel. We're gonna go with the live stream. We're gonna go here. Oh yeah, we are close. We are close. I remember this guy, fucking billionaire, crypto billionaire, who's not selling. He's just only buying the dip. He has everything in this life, but right now, if he's a billionaire, he lost like one of the biggest loss in his life. Here's the kid, yeah. Here's the first time, but let me see. Here is one more, yeah. So let's open this video, if you don't mind. Take a look at this. 13 weeks ago, November 30, yeah? So it means that if I'm gonna go here, I have the long sleeve here, 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 or here. Yeah, probably. Not this one. Not this one. Show me what you're wearing. This one. Yeah. The date. October 26th. No, it's not the date. It's not what I'm looking. October 19. No, 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 Mr. Fish. No, no, no. Let me get back. Sorry for this. 4 months. Then I need to go back. Oh, it still didn't calculate like it was. Yeah, I need to look on the 3 months ago. I need to find something a week before that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. November 16th. Not that type of the long sleeve. But could I change? Could I change? Yes, I could. I don't think that I change. Yeah, this one probably. Yeah, the long sleeve, November 23. I will explain you. This live stream. We don't need anything else. So we need this live stream. Take a look at this pimple. You see this? My girlfriend tried to cover it with the help of the makeup. Take a look at this pimple here. So on November 30, this video was uploaded to the Instagram because my partner need to edit this video. It means that this video was sent to him right after this live stream. I'm telling you that if you're gonna go here, you will see my explanations, you will see everything that I'm expecting from the price, you will see like everything that I think will happen with the price, will happen with the Bitcoin during the next couple of whatever. If we're gonna listen to this video.
Here, punch me in the face. Do you interested to invest any money into the cryptocurrency?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Would you remember the dates?
Probably, yeah. I can write it. I can write it
If you're
down.
gonna write, yeah, it will work. So I will tell you, the next buying dates, so the next bottom for the crypto market will be 17, 18 of December. Will you remember that?
But this year.
This year, yeah. From there, the price will go up until first 2 weeks of January. From there, the price will go to the correction probably until March. And then we're gonna have one more peak of the price closer to April, May, June 2026. When is your birthday?
My birthday is in October.
October, so it's already gone, yeah?
Yeah.
Until next October, yeah? Just ask your parents, skip the presents, wait until November 2026.
Yeah.
That's gonna be the bottom of the bottom. Buy anything. Just tell to your dad, November 2026. If not, find me here, punch me in the face. That will be the bottom. And I think that if you...
You can go into December, I will show you. There's a lot of people who's asking me, what should I do with the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency? These guys. What should I do with the cryptocurrency which I bought in the December?
My birthday. 16.
16 of what? So you...
So 16th of December, yeah?
birthday, December 16th, yeah? Let's check this information. From today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow, like basically from $92,000, the price will go down until first stop will be 9/10 of December, then we're gonna go deeper until 17, 19 of December. So, your birth...
Do I need to open the chart or you remember what's happened on the 17th of December?
Make yourself present, it's not financial advice. I'm gonna buy for a huge amount of money. On 17th, 19th of December, I'm gonna skip 9, 10 if I'm gonna see...
You know, when I'm talking on the street to the people, I'm giving them plus minus 1 day. Because they don't have the trading filter and they don't have like, basically this guy could deliver me the food. Or maybe he's the most rich person in the world. He don't know nothing about the market. So 99% of people who talk to me on the street, they don't know nothing.
It's lower than $80,000, I'm gonna do that.
Lower than $80,000, yeah? Where the price was? 80,000.
I said to you. 17, 19, yeah? You will see the huge red candle, buy anything, like whatever you're gonna buy, Ethereum.
How more can I explain to the person like who don't know nothing? He's not watching this live stream. Maybe right now he's watching. Like since I met him, this video was uploaded on 10th of December. Go back at least for a couple of days to make this video. So maybe even we will see the same pimple on my forehead. This video could be made right after this. You think that I'm uploading all videos at the same day? I'm still didn't upload the video since the beginning of February. There is still a couple of video in the drafts. So
People, whatever, and hold until the end of January. From the end of January, we're gonna go once again down, and then summer 20.
you see, at the beginning of December or end of November, I'm telling the end of January, and then people starting to tell me, you changing the dates. No, I'm not changing the dates. I'm preparing myself. Oh, we need to find the hat, the green t-shirt. There was the green t-shirt. I know when it was. Live stream. That was 1, 2, 3, 4. Not this one.
What do we have?
The green t-shirt. November 2. Two months before it happens. 2 months before it happens. And I'm telling the end of January. Yeah, sorry that it's happened on the 13th of January.
26 is gonna be the last time when you're gonna have chance to sell Bitcoin.
What I'm telling, summer 2026.
The 6 figures. From there until November, December 2026, probably you...
I need to create more and more content, like, oh, I told you. Okay, guys, I need to go. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless America. God save smart people. I don't know what to tell you. I'm tired of doing these things. It's definitely. Please don't text me. Please don't text me with any questions. We create the AI assistant. You can find the link on the AI assistant in the Telegram group. First link in the description. If you go with the scammers, don't text me about scammers. I don't care about them. We send application for the verification badge on the Telegram. Unfortunately, the YouTube will give verification only from 100,000 followers. Almost impossible. I really don't care if you're gonna lose your money with the scammers. I really don't care. So please don't text me about this, because I'm tired to ask people, please, could you report this page? Please, could you do this? Please, could you do this? If that's the way how it works with you, let it be like that. If that's the only way how the life can explain to you and could show you how you shouldn't be stupid, shouldn't trust to people, let it be. Let it also be. I'm good. I said to the people right after the conversation last week with the person who's still like, I have the hedge fund, but he don't even know nothing about the market. Oh, you're stupid if you buy on the Robinhood. I don't give a fuck when I'm gonna buy for the bottom of the price. I don't give a fuck where I'm gonna buy everything that I'm buying. But he don't know nothing about the market, and he's telling me this in the face. I understand that people need to see something expensive. So as soon as you're gonna see that I close my long positions, no offense, that will be the last time when people will have my phone. Yeah, because that's my 3 personal numbers. I also have 2 additional phones, which I'm using with the live streams, when I'm doing the live streams. So I'm just gonna change this phone number on that phone numbers, and I'm gonna give it only to my relatives and close friends, and I will try to avoid talking to the people. I'm sorry, guys. I need to stop being such a good guy. Thanks to the haters. Really thanks to the people who's supporting us. Everything that you want to say to me into the DMs, write in the comments. But if you write in any comments, how can I get access to the algorithm and somebody answering you on this? That's not me. That's not me. Unfortunately, I'm not reading the comments. I don't want to read the comments. But you helping us. The only way how you can get this information, if I'm gonna see your support. If this video will get 1,000 likes during the next week, I will do live stream one more time. If it's not gonna get 1,000 likes, the next live stream will be only talking. I will try to change the content on the street. I will try to change the content on the YouTube. I mean, I will start to do content for people which you like. So today we're gonna discuss something like how I'm buying the car. If you need this, and you know what? I know that this content will get the likes. Yeah, I know that. So I need to change everything because I'm tired, once again. Maybe I'm gonna create the courses for you. Maybe I'm gonna create the courses for you. Maybe I'm gonna, I don't know. The app will be the most expensive app in your life. The app will be the most expensive app. As I said, my roadmap for this year, the live streams will be prepaid. The forecast will be prepaid. Everything will be prepaid. Even if there's going to be people who are with us for the last 2 years. That's fine. Let it be like this. Thanks, guy. So, take care.